In today's news, everybody, Sue-Lenn looks bomb as hell. She is currently wearing this cute Valentine's Day baby girl. Like, you know, I have a man and my man's taking me out and I don't know where he's taking me. I'm gonna dress all pretty. Oh, he's gonna take me on a picnic. Oh, he might take me to meet his mommy today. I turn into his mommy later. Hilarious. Welcome to News with Sue-Lenn. Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel. My name is Suelentenn. If you're new here, welcome. Come join me. If you are already a subscriber or you're coming back, then welcome back. It's good to see you. How you doing? It's been a while. Like, what's been going on? I mean, you been good? Because I've been good. Continue watching if you want to see this look and be popping for Valentine's Day. You know what's that.
The beat plug. The beat plug.
If you made it to the end of this video, then congratulations. Have an amazing Valentine's Day. I wish you all a lovely, lovely Valentine's Day. Spread love, be in love. If you're single, it's cool, you know, just be bomb, be fly. If you're gonna have sex, have safe sex. But I'm not promoting sex. Be celibate until you're married. There's no ring on my finger, so you know, ain't nothing going down for me. Okay, what England says, I found myself hilarious. I promise you. I am funny as hell. You don't find me funny? I find myself funny. That's all that matters. I find myself funny.